Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have, let me pick a side where they can't put my name on it, a Glossybox limited edition, not the regular one. This is a limited edition. This was $40. None of the coupons were really working, but this is a limited edition. As far as I know, it's still available, but don't quote me on this. I ordered it like a week ago, if not more. This is like the All I Want, and I don't know if you remember, but I had unboxed in another Glossybox limited edition, which was really good, for Mother's Day. Anyway, but you know, the Mother's Day one was really nice. It was 6 full size. This is supposed to be 6 full size for. I had like a full size lippy from the Beauty Crop, which is actually really good formula. I had a $78 moisturizer from Lancome, which I am now using and it goes far, and it's like a glowy moisturizer. It's really nice. And then I had like a Victoria and Ralph Flower Bomb soap, which is still needs, and then a few other things that were the face mask I absolutely love that were like currently retail for $10 a piece were in that box. So yeah, it's usually worth it. It's really like good quality things, and for $40, yeah, really good quality things. I mean, yeah, sure, their regular box doesn't always have full size issues, sometimes travel, but it, you know, it's never usually as good as BoxyCharm, but you know, it was like almost Boxy Luxe items in this. And it says All I Want, and it's all shimmery. Or not shimmery, it's like embossed. So, because that's what it looks like. It's all shiny. And really, their presentation is above and beyond. I mean, that's All I Want. This might be slightly upside down. It should have been the other way. But you got this little pamphlet. Something smells like vanilla in here already. So this is the pamphlet. It says Holiday Limited Edition, and it shows you what's all in here, I'm sure, and gives you the price. And it says confidence, purpose, strength, laughter, love, fun, freedom, peace. So can't tell what that laughter, your love, I don't know what that one word is that's covered up by a sticker, but I love it. So, I mean, come on, packaging, yes. And they did the same for the Mother's Day one. It's packaged really nicely. So yeah, if you were thinking about getting this as a gift for somebody, I mean, it's already kind of wrapped for you. This is the Raw Spirit Fragrances Discovery Kit. So that's something, might be what I'm smelling in here. It has explored the complete Raw Spirit Fragrancy collection with the Raw Spirit Discovery set. Set includes 8 times 1.5 milliliters, 0.05 fluid ounces, fragrance atomizers. So yeah. Open, really cute box. I think it's just sample size perfumes, but you know, if you've never heard this brand, I've never heard of this brand. You get like little scents to try. And then you open it up. You got all your little scents, and you got this little card. Our journey to find rare and unusual ingredients for raw spirit has taken us from the Australian outback to the islands of the Caribbean to the shores of Bali and beyond. Using the highest quality ingredients, we work with master perfumer Harry Fremont to create unique luxury fragrances that celebrate the world and all its diversity. Join us as our journey continues. To being responsibly sourcing our ingredients, we believe in giving back to our partner communities. $1 from each fragrance purchase is donated directly to one of our 4 local partner organizations. You can learn more about how we give. Okay, and it has like all the scents on here. So we've got a Wildfire, which is warm and seductive. That sounds nice. I love those kind of scents for the winter. Desert Blush, which is warm, sophisticated floral. Bijou Vert, which is fresh and sensual. Citadel, which is clean, bold, and refreshing. Winter Oak, smooth, creamy, warming. Summer Rain, fresh, invigorating citrus. Mystic Pearl, fresh, luminous floral. And Midnight Pearl, sultry and floral. So I'll have to give this a go. Yeah, I get closer and I'm like smelling all sorts of scents. So that's interesting. This they're saying retails for, it says feature size $64. I guess an indie brand. I mean, I guess so. Did I pay $64 for Punch Fragrance? No. Not without like a coupon to get like a bigger one. I still have no coupon to get a bigger one. Can you, if you know somebody like Denny who has 1,000,000 perfumes and you don't know what to get her and you want to spend $64. Okay, next we have from Rituals, which is a expensive UK brand, I think. And it's the Ritual of Ayurveda. Inner harmony brings natural beauty. This is a soothing hand balm, which is Indian rose and sweet almond oil, which sounds really interesting, actually. And I love the print. Well, except for it's hard to read. Dagnabbit. Okay. I thought the rose would be different, but it's not. It's actually not rosy at all, which is good. I hate rose. I smell the almond. I smell more like a Moroccan kind of scent, you know, the Moroccan spicy floral scent. That's what I'm smelling more, but on the lighter edge of it, and like more of that almond oil, which is nice. Okay, I may keep this. I might pass along to my mom as a Christmas present. I didn't mean to like pop out anything. It just kind of happened because it didn't have a seal. So I might pass that on to my mom. I think she'd like that a lot. I mean, I do like it, but it was just, I don't need it. Alright. That retails for $17. This relaxes both your body and soul while softening your skin. Apparently with Indian rose. Next we've got, and this is the cutest packaging ever. This is from the Beauty Crop, and it's Glow Milk. And it's a little carton of rose gold milk, y'all. Rose gold milk. And I like Beauty Crop. I think they have a really pretty good formula on their lippies. Actually, it's really good. Glow Milk is liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting from within look with our champagne-colored liquid highlighter enriched with coconut. Glow Milk hydrates while illuminating the skin. Achieve a healthy, luminous glow by brushing 3 dots of our illuminating milk on the high points of your face and colorful and blend with your fingertips. So, a little smiley face, which is adorable. 100% cruelty free, no minerals, no phthalates, no parabens, vegan, hyperallergenic, nourished with coconut and argan oil. It says shake well. Okay, argan oil is like in the middle. Face doesn't. If I don't plop it all over my face, I think my face is okay with argan oil, but it doesn't like in like a facial oil or a face mask. Open this up. This retails for $19.50. $18.50 is a lot for this little thing being full size. I mean, they're not, you know, a cheaper brand really. Their lippies are about $20. I mean, but it's adorable, this whole decoration. And I heard, yeah, it applies like it's like a paintbrush. It's like legit like a paintbrush. Or like a nail polish, so. Yeah, I guess it's glowy. It's not like overt. Like I have like ones that are way overt, so. It's okay. Next thing I've got is a Wonder to Define Lashes in Under 2 Minutes Wonder Extension Lash Extension Stain Mascara. This is from Rituals. It's $22. Wonder 2 puts a new meaning on a look that lasts with this Lash Extension Stain Mascara. A quick application of just 1 coat gives your lashes an intense, rich color and defining length that lasts up to 3 days. It's time to say goodbye to smudge, flaky mascara. And I am most interested in the ingredients. Just 1 tube. seeing like a lot of fibers or anything. Like, you know, most like lash extensions mascaras have that. Well, can't tell. So, I guess we'll be trying that. Next, from Decorte, we have an Eye Glow Gem, which is a glossy eye color. And this retails for $27. Soft and creamy blend makes the application easy without the mess of powder shadows, available in over 20 colors. And the dewy-like texture gives your eye a powerful three-dimensional glow. Oh. And the color is BE388. Oh my gosh, that's Japanese. Let me see. Shiru. If I can remember it. But it is written in Japanese up there. Has some jasmine in it. Mineral oil is like one of the last ingredients. Yeah, I'm seeing citrus. I'm seeing lemon in this. Lemon, jasmine, rose. Because it does say made in Japan. So no carmine. This is the packaging. So go. Let's see what kind of formula we're working with here. It actually just looks like a powder shadow, but it's not supposed to be like a powder shadow. Oh no. That's not powder. Like you press in, you can see that. Like it's like a Play-Doh. So this almost seems matte. I think this is a matte. No, it's got shimmer to it. Okay. It's very like light wash of color. It seems I'm like having fun playing with the texture more than anything. It seems nice. I kind of get it because most of the Japanese, unless they're doing cosplay or like they do more natural shades, so I kind of get that you know, gets your shimmer, but it's not like bold in your face shimmer. I mean, it's really pretty, but it's like, you know, not like bold. But maybe like another color's bold and I don't want to go that much bold in this limited edition, like a wearable shade. Next thing is from VDL, which I've never heard of. This is the Expert Color Lip Cube Fluid Velvet, full size, $22. Okay, it says poinsettia. Oh my gosh, so holiday. So holiday. This is saying smooth kissable lips. Expert Color Lip Cube hydrates lips while delivering a bold, seductive color for a dramatic look. The lightweight lip stain packs serious lasting power to keep your look intact through the night. I'm still trying to rip it open. I'm a sucker for reds, y'all know. Okay, I do like that it's square. It's slightly different than just a round. And you got the VDL. So, and it's got like a teardrop, like a Smashbox. Maybe a little smaller than, ooh. That's a pretty color, actually. It smells like rose. Not uber strong, but oh, that's pretty. I'm actually going to compare that to a color I have right here. I think it's going to be lighter. This is the cranberry lip whip from Beauty Bakery. Yeah. Thicker formula too. So, there's that. So, yeah, that's a perfect poinsettia color. I'm loving that. This is MAC Russian Red. So, oh yeah, okay. I think that's gonna dry to like a satin, but so that's MAC Russian Red, and it's like completely matte, but it's a good formula. Those are really close. Revelation Red, I guess is the color. Well, that's the color. More like it's deep more than. I mean, even more than the MAC, but the MAC is close. I think it's really close to the Pat McGrath. That's the Pat McGrath, and that's the VDL. So this is $22, which is cheaper than the Pat McGrath. And the last thing is from Serum. It is a HCR 3-in-1 serum. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and retinol. So if you do use this, be careful of your sun exposure and use your sunscreen, because retinol you do not want out in the sun. Okay, this is full size is $80. This is the full size. It says Let Your Skin Glow Serums HCR 3-in-1 serum. Hyaluronic acid preserves and perfects skin for a more contoured, lifted, and sculpted look, while vitamin C nourishes and brightens. Thanks to retinol, fine lines and wrinkles are diminished, making this a one-stop shop for renewed skin. When she pumps in your hand and apply to clean, dry skin twice a day. Okay, receive 20% off any purchase in a free travel edition Mending Moon Glow Face Oil on serum.com/collection/all when you use the code GLOSSYGLOW until February 15th. Store in a cool, dry place. Avoid contact with eyes. Vitamin C reduces the appearance of dark spots and visible signs of aging, and retinol revitalizes and renews to both improve and prevent the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Real and long-term results. And hyaluronic acid plumps and softens while improving elasticity. So I'm excited for this because it feels like I'm starting to run out of my Juice Beauty. I started using that, you know, for my boxy look almost 3 months ago, because we're fixing to get another one. So it was soon after I got that I started using it, like within a week or so. So, you know, it's lasted a good bit, but I'm feeling like I'm starting to run out. So this is great. And it's got this, like, it almost, the Juice Beauty serum is about this color, actually. So I don't want to open it up right now, just in case I'm mistaking and it's like gonna take me a little longer to use that. I think this is glass, and I think all the serums like in this little rounded area. So I'm excited for this. This is, I do believe, a Korean brand. No, it says made in USA. Clean Cosmetics. Serum Cosmetics, Beverly Hills. So I thought it was like a Korean brand, but I'm guessing not, and I love that packaging. Look how pretty that box is. So actually not a Korean brand, but I'm interested in this because I've already ran out of one $80 moisturizer. I might as well start using another one. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!